gotta stop living up here. Start
Yo,
living
pass
down
that
here.
blizz over this way. You don't want that, son. The beast is out. You don't want that. Provoke the terrible and smoke the most incredible. Rappers nowadays are flowing soft, they so forgettable. Plus you edible. In my kitchen first we peeling you, searing you, tearing through your body and your spiritual. Known to be holding the troll, focused and flowing with soul. Soaking the doja explode, notions corroding my bones. I ain't fearing nothing any making off of me. Inhale the strawberry and focus thoughts upon the slaughtering. Evolving over beats in many ways, it's a daily grind. Set aside decisions in my life that have me doing time. Losers on the mic and try and bum rush from behind. Like in any skill it takes just to rock a decent rhyme. Rapping with all of this power, slapping and stomping you cowards. Snapping the chronic and flower, diesel with bar at that sour. And the enemy ahead of me thinking he better. Recognize this fucking H-stop flowing forever. I just wanna smoke a little bit of weed in the nighttime. Drink more than a couple beers when it's nice. I just wanna smoke a little bit of weed in the nighttime. Drink more than a couple beers when it's nice. Some rappers get the backhand, now they teary-eyed. Talking about that fly high, but they never touch the sky. A lethal dose, either contain their blunt raps. Obliterate the mic if I hit in the dump sack, yeah. Stop, baby.